In this portion, we're going to review the zones page. To access the zones page, you want to do this from the admin side of ClearPlan. The zones page is right here. The reason you see the orange icon next to the zones page is because we've released a new feature. Again, anytime ClearPlan has a new feature release anywhere inside, you'll see that indicated with an orange symbol, similar to right here. We always want to let our users know when there's a new feature available inside ClearPlan. The zones page gives us a breakdown of the zones that we've created as a company. You get to create your zones based on landmass, volume, topography, agent talent. It's up to you to decide how you want to break down your company. My recommendation is to break down more zones so you can see your company better. What I like to do when I look at these zones is the first thing I like to look at the number in red. The number in red tells me how many accounts in that zone have not been updated within the last 5 days. So typically, as an admin, you would want to scroll down while you're looking over your zones to find which zones have the highest number. Northwest 2 shows 23 accounts that haven't been checked in the last 5 days. Rural coverage area shows 19, and Southwest 2 shows 23. Those three zones for me are in the most trouble. So Southwest 2 shows 66 total addresses. 27 we've only run one time, and 23 haven't been checked in 5 days. The zone in the most trouble appears to be Southwest 2. There's 66 total addresses, 7 new addresses in that zone, and 27 single check-ins, 23 of which have not been checked in the last 5 days. The first thing you want to do is access this zone and fade the entire zone out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out to my slide bar and I'm going to fade this zone out by 5 days. Anything in this zone that doesn't fade out has not been run in the last 5 days. So another thing that I want to do is come back up this tool and I want to select days since last check-in. Don't forget, you need to zoom in for us to populate this information. And you'll see accounts here that are showing 10 days and 8 days and 10 days. So typically for our company, we don't want to go more than 5 days. We know that it happens, but if you see this, typically you may want to give your agent a reminder, alert them, give them an icon change like a priority. There's a faster way to do this that we'll show you in the next session. This is a quick overview of what you want to gain just by looking at your zones page. Seeing which zones are in the most trouble and being proactive rather than reactive is the best way to utilize the zones page. Thank you.